Hello, mega love shoutout everyone. Babatiin ko lang si Sir Bornibol Vlogs na happy birthday. Yan. Sir Bornibol, nakailang happy birthday na ba ako sa'yo? Simula nang nagkakilala tayo bilang kaibigan dito sa YT. I think pang tatlo na to. Ayan, more birthdays to come, more candles to blow, and more cakes to slice. And palaging good vibes lang ang dala ni Sir Bornibol. And ayan, wish you have more friends and everlasting life. Ayan, Sir Bornibol, happy birthday, and God bless you always. God bless and God will guide you in your daily activities, especially sa mga ginagawa mo araw-araw, sa trabaho mo, ayan, sa kung saan ka man mapunta, nandyan si Lord, kasama ka, gagabay ka niya at guide ka niya. So, yun na, wala na akong maraming isabi pa, kundi happy birthday, Sir Bornibol. Mama, chup. You know, I can't smile without you. I can't smile without you. Ano yun? Hindi ko ma-memorize, basta yun na yun. Happy birthday, Sir Bornibol. And happy 3rd year anniversary for our friendship. Mama, chup. And best regards to Amori. Amori, hello. Mama to Amori also. Amori. Ayan. Masaya ako na nakilala ko kayo at naging kaibigan. At para ko na kayong pamilya dito sa YT. Thank you so much. And happy birthday ulit, Sir Bornibol. Bye!